In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the database in WP Engine Hosting for 2025. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by selecting the appropriate site environment. WP Engine offers multiple environments like production, staging, or development. Choosing the correct one is crucial as each environment serves different purposes depending on what kind of work you're doing. The production environment is where your live site runs, so be cautious with changes there. Staging is a great sandbox for testing new features before making them live, and development is perfect for ongoing site improvements. Once you've selected the environment, click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you'll want to navigate to MyAdmin. To do this, head over to the Site section, then click on Utilities. Under Utilities, you'll find MyAdmin. Selecting MyAdmin opens up a doorway to manage your database more directly. This tool allows you to handle many essential database tasks in a user-friendly interface. Why is MyAdmin so important? It makes managing your data straightforward, whether you're importing, exporting, or just browsing tables, which can sound daunting but is actually a breeze once you get the hang of it. WP Engine has made it incredibly convenient for you by providing a temporary login or even an auto login directly into phpMyAdmin. This feature is quite handy because it eliminates the need to remember additional passwords. A tip here is to always ensure you're logging in from a secure and private connection to maintain the integrity and security of your database. Once you're inside MyAdmin, you have a range of options at your disposal, starting with exporting or importing your database. This is especially useful if you're planning on backing up your data or moving it between different environments. Keeping regular backups can save you from potential data loss, which, while unlikely, can be costly. Simply click on the export or import option based on your need and follow the prompts. It's an essential step for maintaining data integrity and ensuring you always have access to your site's content. Then you can browse the tables within your database. Browsing tables might sound technical, but it's essentially just checking different parts of your site's data, sort of like rifling through files. It gives you insights into which parts of your site generated data and helps you troubleshoot any issues more effectively. In addition, if you need to run SQL queries, there's a straightforward option for that too. Running SQL queries can allow you to perform complex database tasks swiftly. For those comfortable with SQL, it brings a level of flexibility that can be invaluable, especially for more advanced troubleshooting or data manipulation. Lastly, you can edit content or settings as needed. This might include changing how certain data is stored or updating content directly within the database, giving you another layer of customization for your site. Remember, while this tool is powerful, it also holds the possibility to cause significant changes, so always double check your work. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on accessing and managing your database in WP Engine Hosting for 2025. With these instructions, you can confidently navigate and optimize your site's database activities.